What's up, YouTube? It's the Zone 392 coming back with another video. Today's gonna be a different one. We're gonna do a POV driving in the new Ram TRX. So let me know how you guys like it. Sorry guys if the angle's all bad. Can't really see it on the GoPro what it's trying to do, so I'm just gonna have to bite the bullet. I'll try adjusting it right now. I'm gonna open this up. Sorry, it's so hot in Arizona. We're gonna get on the highway, show you guys that. I'm gonna start playing with the things in here to show you. Gauges, dyno. Get on the highway right now. Sorry, that fan might be a little much. Guys, let me know how you guys like the new TRX. I love it compared to the Jeep. I think it's got so much more power, so much more capability. I can't wait to off-road it a little bit. I think after the braking period, I'm gonna drive it a little more comfortably, and then I think we're gonna take it on some trails, see what it can do. There's a cop right there, if you guys can tell. State trooper. We're gonna get behind him. He's gonna be able to hear the TRX. We're following the state trooper right now, guys. Wonder if you guys can see that on the camera, but that's a cop right there. And let me know what you guys think of the heads-up display. I think that's pretty cool, where you can see your street, your speedometer. I mean, come on, the whine. Now we're just missing the Borla exhaust, but hopefully upcoming we'll have that on there. I don't want to go too crazy with the cop right there. I got my cop radar on too. Yeah, don't miss out. First 1,000 subscribers have a chance to win a $300 cop radar, so subscribe to be entered. Take it up a few streets. I do have to get some miles put on her, just because we're at 664 right now. We have to be around 1,500 for the break-in period to be over, get the launch control going, stuff like that. So as you guys can tell, we're not even using up all 700 horsepower. We're getting to about like 400 with around 500 pounds of torque. As far as like smoothness goes, the Jeep compared to this, I mean, it's complete night and day. I've also driven a 4-cylinder Rubicon Recon in 2020. That was the first car I had ever purchased in my life. But that thing drove pretty good too, but just not, I mean, you're on the highway. And it has the lane assist too. So if you do start to merge over, it will push you back in the lane, which I'm not the biggest fan of, because when you do go to merge over without your turn signal on, it like forces you in, makes you do things you don't want to do. But guys, I wish that cop was in there so I can really show you guys what the... I think we're going to be getting off here pretty shortly, just because of that cop right there. And I want to get some good footage of how the car actually sounds. Tunnel pass. I might actually roll some of these windows down in the back, just so we could get some more I mean, this thing's already cracking, popping, shit like that. 56 Street. Oh, actually, I'm gonna take this exit, and we're gonna get back on the highway. Oh yeah. Some pretty mountain views over there. We're gonna be going through the underpass right now. Getting back on the highway in the Ram TRX. Get a little push for you guys. I mean, that sounds everything. As you guys can tell, not really the best highway to get onto, but hey, it'll do. We'll get it done. I can't wait to put that exhaust on so we can really hear what that Hellcat sounds like. Maybe put a air intake on too. We're gonna be going home right now.